Hello and welcome to what's happening outside today. We've had some new visitors come to the feeders in our garden. These are some Corellas. They're a native cocky. Quite a bit bigger than the pink and grey Galahs we normally get. There's one up there and there's one there. They were at the feeder, but I startled them coming outside. I'll hope they come back and see if I can get some shots of them on the feeder. Some pink and grey Galahs have just shown up. Hopefully the Corellas will see it's okay and they'll come over too. I've put some fresh seed in both feeders. So let's see. Corellas just came over. One's landed on the roof of the veranda. He's probably just looking down waiting for his chance to jump. Oh, there he goes. Scared off the pink and greys. There they are. They've got a slight pinkish hue around their eyes, their face there. Small crests, not like the big yellow crest of a sulphur crested cockatoo. We get them here sometimes too. And red-tailed black cockatoos. They're bigger again than these. Galahs have gone back over here. They got startled by the Corella jumping off the roof. They'll come back. Here they are, enjoying some fresh seed. There's plenty of room at the other feeder too for the Galahs. You can also hear the screech of a bowerbird in the background too. If he comes over, usually comes over for the chicken scraps on the table. If he does, I'll see if I can get a shot of him too. Having a good munch. Oh, there's the bowerbird. Come to the chicken scrap crate. I'm yet to find any of their bowers on our property, but there's plenty of the property I haven't looked. I have seen one in another area. There he goes, got something to eat. I've seen one in another area in Litchfield National Park. It's quite an impressive nest they built. If I do come across one, I'll give you a look at that too. There we go, one Galah's brave enough to come back. See if the others follow. We've had some doves coming up to the feeder too. Usually they hang around on the ground. There's a couple on the ground at the moment, but they've been coming up to the feeders even with the Galahs at times. Bowerbird's back for some more. I used to think they were quite a harmless bird, but we had a cockatiel in a cage out here, and just 2 cockatiels, and they were just getting some fresh air in the outside cage. Very thin bars, but a bowerbird managed to poke through and grab one of the cockatiels by the head and killed it. And I did not know bowerbirds were so nasty. There was no reason for him to kill it, but not sure why they did. It was very sad, and I've changed my opinion of bowerbirds since then. Don't think they're so great now, even if they do build impressive nests. The rest of the Galahs have come back. What a good munch. Two pairs. Anyway, I may just leave them now, and flies are starting to harass me out here. Oh, and I'd also like to welcome our 2 new subscribers and thank them very much. It's much appreciated. Hopefully it's plenty more to come, and thank you. And thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. It'll help us grow, and we'll see you next time.